Yeah. Give me the next one. Yeah. Bumba clot. Yeah. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Wing. Guys, what's up, guys? What's up? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. I'm good. You good? We all good. Let's go. Today, guys, we're doing 𝐷𝐿𝐸 Daily Duppy. Big up 𝐷𝐿𝐸. Pioneer. One of the pioneers of the UK music, the UK grime scene. Big him up. We're going to just jump straight to Daily Duppy. Now waste no more time. Guys, please make sure you subscribe if you're new around here. I do pause a lot. So if it is not for you, you know what time it is, guys. Just, you know, I'm sorry. If it's not for you, I cannot be everyone's cup of tea. But I can be that one person, Milo. Oh, big up people who know about Milo. If you don't know about Milo, it's alright. Leave it. Google it. Alright? So let's jump straight to that. Let's go.
Daily Duppy. Duppy and Daily.
Shit.
Look. Oh my word. It's D double. It's who? Jesus. Ooh. But you know the plan and plot. It's not Jim when they said the man got spot. Nah.
You already know this is gonna be fire. You already know this is gonna be serious. Him gonna Duppy the beat ya. Because that gentleman, that man is ruthless pan any beat. Him style different. Any song you hear him pan, you know see him. You know see double D. No, I'm double E, sorry. You see me? Double A, big up your fucking self, J. You paved the way. You done it, brother. You don't have nothing to prove. So let's go, bro.
It's not a haircut when the cemetery's got a crop. I'm a top man, but I'll never wear that top, my brother. That's not real, that's a prop. Take that back to the Reebok shop. Come man, I got a thing that'll make a man rock. One away business, I'll never swap.
Him a bash for days. Him vibes is just that energy. Like coronavirus. Or you can leave planet Earth so these men can be out on stage doing what them do best. Them man in a ramp, dog. Them man no. Come on.
Ring ticka-ding. Man can't tell me a thing. How money if you make when mobile ring. Money if you make when mobile ring.
You hear that? Him emphasize the part. The money if you make when mobile ring. So him serious about him money. Any man is serious about the money. You don't know once you have ambition. Money if you make a mobile ring. No long thing, no chatting.
Blink on the teeth and chain and ring. If it don't make money, then it's not my thing. Invest money in a shit and thing. Jeremy Maxwell is a serious thing.
You hear him investing money in that? Shares and thing. Shares. The stock market a boom right now. The boss investing money in a shares. Big up the people them who do them research on the share on the stock market and do them thing.
Stand up guy for years. Raise your glass and let's say cheers. Man, I'm in the hair still stepping upstairs. Man, I'm in the hair still changing gears.
Different. It's just full of energy, dog. This is like a live performance, like a live concert. You watch him. 𝐷𝐿𝐸 different, bro. We can't stop saying that, bro. You're different, fam. You're different, bro.
Man, I'm in the hair still writing bed, still giving wisdom to my closest pair. In the right direction, man gets there. Our relationship has to be sincere. Put the buck. Carry the weight on my back. Always give man, never give back. No.
With the buck. Carry it. Yo, the man say him always give him never get back. So if I call you want, him willing to give you, him not get none back. You hear that? Let's go.
Brother, man, a cool back. Don't worry, my sis, man, a cool back that. Alright. I know where the rule of that. Cut grass so I can see snake and rat. Catch man slipping out, it's not that.
Him say him cut the grass low so him can see snake and rat. It doesn't mean snake and rat literally, no. It means the people them around him. Him friends them around him, so-called friends them around him and the associates them. You see me? Not for them are friend of me. You see me? Yeah. Champion theme, real friend, real pain theme, champ friends. Get it? Yeah, let's go.
All of the man them ahead, man are not here, the man them in there. This year, next year's gonna be and the year after that's gonna be yeah. One of a kind, I'm lyrically rare.
He is one of a kind. He is lyrically rare. He's lyrically rare. Like, Theme style can never get old. His style can never get old, guys. Never get old. Like me say, once you hear him on any beat, you know say him that. Yeah, once you hear him, you know say I him that. Never get old, dog.
Big two behind the air, put this up into the atmosphere. With the buck, no me and them boy, now we can't compare. Car 24 man, I got levels. Youngers will come on pedals. Man will get shot like pebbles.
You hear that? Me and them boy are on the same levels. So basically, my tell you say, yo, him youngers will come pan some pedals, some bicycle, ride up on you and give pebbles. You see me? The youngers them. Because the youngers them look up to him, the youngers them rate him. So if him say, yo, go and go mash the works there, the youngers them ready for go step on the pussy them. The youngers ready for go step on the pussy them on bicycle. You see it? Yeah.
Man, I got stripes and medals. Gems and... Man, I got gems and bezels. Are you crazy? 2021 man can't be lazy. Come with the sauce, come with the gravy. No if so, but so maybe. Get the big belly, man, a tabo baby.
Yo! Yo, let's go again.
Are you crazy? 2021 man can't be lazy. Come with the sauce, come with the gravy. No if so, but so maybe. Get the big belly, man, a tabo baby. Then build a big zoo of the hazy.
Yeah, full of bars, you fuck. Man say 2021 and not that about lazy dog. You say you get a big yo, I know dog. Bro, you're different, bro. You can't stop saying that, bro. You're different, my fam. Once again, I forgot to big up the editors, them dog. Them bad, brother, them bad. You see me? It takes a lot of work to edit all these PNG files and put in. It take a lot of work.
Build a big zoo of the hazy. With a I smoke bud and then they get wider. Keep running your boat, just know that I'm a capsizer.
You hear that? You hear that? The man say, keep running your boat, keep talking, I got capsize you. Boat capsize, ship capsize. Keep running your boat, I got capsize you. Don't fuck yourself. That's what the man say. Do not fuck yourself without a condom, you will catch AIDS. That's what the man tell you, say, don't ramp. Yeah.
In beef, I'm an improviser. Just know I'm the top advisor. Just give me 2 packs, make sure they're biggie. Pang.
Let's give it 2 packs, just make sure say them biggie. Peng. Give him 2 packs, make sure say them big, them huge. Biggie. 2 pack. Over here, so. Big. Yeah. Yo. Bars.
Roach, with a little bit of Siggy.
Roach, with a little bit of Siggy. Yeah, bill him. Yeah, go again.
Just know I'm the top advisor. Just give me 2 packs, make sure they're biggie. Pang. Roach, with a little bit of Siggy. My mother tried to buy me high-tech Angola.
Huh? What? What's about high-tech Angola?
A little bit of Siggy. My mother tried to buy me high-tech Angola. On SNES I only had 1 controller. One.
That's old school, that's retro. Guys, me have a Nintendo 64s. You remember Nintendo 64 with Mario Kart and GoldenEye and Super Mario and them game that me still have my one. Me still have my Nintendo 64 that.
Buy me high-tech Angola. On SNES I only had 1 controller. One. Man I out here trying to dodge Corona.
Yeah, man I out here trying to dodge Corona. Yeah. It's a wild world we're living in. We are dodging it. We are dodging.
Man I out here trying to dodge Ebola.
Shit.
I had a watch working on solar.
Shit.
I got focus when I got older.
Yeah. Basically, right, just say, Matilda, listen, I'm not young and dumb anymore. I'm focused now. I know what is what. You see me? So, nobody feels say, you can go around with the little ABC thing. No, I'm older. I am older. Focus.
Did it buck. That's me.
I was waiting for that. Ooh, I feel silent now. Sick with it. Ooh, blood clot. But I thought I wasn't gonna hear it. I thought I was never gonna hear it.
That's me. Put the buck buck.
Yeah. Give me the next one. Yeah. Bumba clock. Yeah. Wait. The boss have rhythm. Chip. Double E can dance better than you.
Put the buck buck.
Yeah, cheese. Yeah. Yo, Chip. Double E can dance better than you, my fam. But you don't know, say I'm a G still, is it? But yeah, guys, this was a reaction slash slightly breakdown. Cause you know, I'm just make it run a bit, you know? Yeah. Guys, if you enjoy the video, please like the video. You see me? Share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me? Yeah. Just share it on your story and tag Double E Night. Man, I keep saying Double D. Double E Night. Make him share it back on the film story. You know what I think? Yeah, dog. Big up on yourself, guys. I'm out. Peace.